What's up, guys? Welcome back. I'm Andrew.
And I'm Joey.
So for this video, on a more serious note, we've gotten a bunch of questions about how we're together during quarantine.
To make it short, we're kind of staying together long term. So yeah, we are being 100% safe. We are keeping our distance from everyone else, and our families are obviously aware of everything. So.
Yep, because the last thing we want to do really is put our family in jeopardy.
And put anyone else in jeopardy.
So we hope you guys are being safe, staying inside, staying with your family, making sure everybody's okay. There's no need to go out, go to the beach, go anywhere else to be stupid. Huh?
Go to the beach.
You're so dumb. You are really dumb.
Alright guys, I know it's only been a day, but we appreciate all the support we can get,
It
alright?
would mean so much to us if you could just shout us out on any of your social medias, really. Make sure you do hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm. But yeah, we just wanted to let you guys know that we are indeed being safe. A lot of people were asking questions.
Sorry.
Be on the lookout. Our first video regarding stocks and everything that we do want to incorporate on this channel will be coming soon.
Very soon. Alright, think rich. See you guys next time.
I like that. It's like a cool little saying. I think that'll blow us up.